Hi guys, today I will be unboxing and testing this Halo 2 LED strip light. So the length is 543 millimeters and the height is 30 millimeters. So you can see the specs here, 10 wattage, then different setting for color temperature. So 3000 Kelvin, 4000 Kelvin and 6500 Kelvin. Then 850 lumens in CRI 80, so color rendering index. Then IP rating, something to do with the protection to water, so it's only 20. Then 30,000 hours average life. Then class 2, so it's not using any ground for the power. Then in-home warranty, you can return it. Okay, so I'll just open that. So it comes with this plug, and yeah, you can only see 2 wire plug, so no earth connection, so that indicates the class 2. Okay, so open this now. So maybe open on the other side as well. Yep. Okay, so just remove the paper. So there's some information here. So 220 volts, 50 to 60 hertz. Okay, so just connect this to power, then see how it looks. So other LED strip lights using like a USB power supply, USB with a brick, and this one is directly connected here. So here's the end. You need to open. I'm not sure. Oh no, the other end. So this one is here. So you have switches here, so on and off, then the different color temperature. Okay, so make sure it is off first, then I just unplug it to the power, then turn on. So to turn on this one, press this one. Yeah, okay. Then you can see different. So this is like a white or cool, so a bit warm. Then this is a warmest, a yellowish color. Try again. The middle. Then this is the like a daylight. Okay, just turn it off. Okay, so that's it. Really nice. Okay, this is again Halo 2 LED strip light. Okay, thank you for watching.